Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. In this afternoon's short video, I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me all the way to the rear of our 20-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse as we conduct our very first chocolate pepper harvest of the 2022 grow season from here in our high tunnel greenhouse. Doesn't that pepper look fantastic here? Most of you guys and gals currently following our channel for a while know about 45 days ago we took the liberty of digging up several of our pepper plants that we were growing in several different locations in our backyard food forest. We planted those different varieties of peppers up, and we have them here growing in the containers in the very rear of our high tunnel greenhouse, along with our Better Boy tomato plants and our cherry tomato plants, which, as you guys can see, is currently loading up with tomatoes here for us in our high tunnel greenhouse. I'm going to get over in here. As you guys can see, I have several things in front of me in that pepper plant here, so this is going to be an awkward, to say the least, harvest for me. I'm going to rest this camera here on this branch of this fig tree as I use my other hand to get in here and pinch this pepper away from this plant. I'm going to bring this pepper up close to the camera so you guys can see. Doesn't that look fantastic here in the rear of our high tunnel greenhouse, our very first chocolate pepper harvest of the 2022 winter grow season here in Tifton, Georgia, Grow Zone 8B, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently do find yourself watching this video and you're not already subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.